Adobe Flex 101, Adobe Flex Tutorial PDF. Let's dive into the details of Adobe Flex, a powerful software development kit, SDK, for creating cross-platform rich web applications. Here's what you need to know. 1. What is Adobe Flex? Adobe Flex, formerly known as Macromedia Flex, is an SDK designed for developing and deploying cross-platform web applications based on the Adobe Flash platform. Initially developed by Macromedia and later acquired by Adobe Systems, Flex enables developers to create interactive and visually appealing applications. 2. How it works *, Flex architecture, MXML, markup language, defines UI layout and other non-visual static aspects. ActionScript, addresses dynamic aspects and serves as code behind. Runtime environment, requires Adobe Air or Flash Player to execute the application. 3. Features, UI components, Flex provides a rich set of UI components for creating engaging interfaces. Customization, developers can customize UI elements using MXML and ActionScript. Statistics tools, Flex allows tracking user interactions and generating reports. IDE compatibility, develop Flex applications using standard IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or Flash Develop. 4. Cons and known issues, complexity, a rich feature set can be overwhelming for new users. Compatibility, Flex relies on Adobe Flash Player, which has limitations due to browser support and security concerns. 5. Pro tips for getting started, learn MXML and ActionScript, understand the combination of declarative UI, MXML, and programmatic logic, ActionScript. Explore IDEs, choose an IDE that suits your workflow, example IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or Flash Develop. Stay updated, keep an eye on the Apache Royale project, which aims to cross-compile ActionScript to JavaScript for broader compatibility. 6. Alternatives, while Adobe Flex is powerful, consider these alternatives: Toon Boom Harmony, excellent for animation. Flash Develop, free and open source. Mini Builder, another free option. Eclipse AXDT, integrates with Eclipse. Opus Pro, offers multimedia authoring. Power Flasher FDT, a commercial alternative. Remember to choose the tool that best aligns with your project requirements. Happy coding!